Want to lock your WhatsApp chats? Here is how to lock individual chat on WhatsApp. Download Locker for WhatsApp app. Go to Google Play Store and search for Locker for WhatsApp app. Install the app on your smartphone. Open Locker for WhatsApp app. Now, the app will ask you to create a 4-digit passcode. Enter the passcode again to confirm it. After this, enter a recovery email address, in case you forget your PIN in future. Here, click on plus icon to add the chat group. Select the chat group you want to lock. And it's done. Now, you can lock and unlock chats anytime. To check if the chat is locked or not, go to WhatsApp. Here, to open the chat, it will ask for the passcode. Enter the 4-digit passcode to unlock the chat. It's that simple. Lock all your private WhatsApp group and personal chats in a jiffy. Locker for WhatsApp app.